Have you ever followed a recipe perfectly, only to end up with burnt edges, raw centers, or uneven baking? Your oven says one temperature. Your food tells a completely different story. And here's the truth most people don't realize. Most home ovens are not accurate. Even brand new ovens can be off by 10, 20, sometimes 30 degrees. Today, I'll show you how to check, test, and calibrate your oven at home so you can bake with confidence and stop guessing. No special tools, no service calls, just simple, proven steps anyone can follow. Welcome to Easy Solutions. Why oven calibration matters. When an oven temperature is wrong, everything suffers. Cakes collapse, bread doesn't rise, cookies burn underneath while staying pale on top, and most people blame the recipe. But the real problem is usually temperature drift. Over time, oven sensors wear out, heating elements weaken, thermostats lose accuracy. Even a 15-degree difference can ruin delicate baking. That's why professional kitchens check calibration regularly, and home bakers should too, especially in 2025, where energy-saving ovens cycle heat more aggressively than older models. Step 1. Check your oven's real temperature. Before adjusting anything, we need to measure the truth. You'll need just one tool. Backhand index pointing right. An oven thermometer. Place a thermometer in the center of the oven, not touching the walls or racks. Now set your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, the most common baking temperature. Let the oven fully preheat and wait at least 20 minutes. Do not trust the beep. Trust the thermometer. Now check the reading. If your oven says 180 degrees Celsius, but the thermometer shows 165 or 195, congratulations, you just found the problem. Step 2. Test temperature stability. Ovens don't stay at one exact temperature. They cycle up and down. So here's what you do next. Over the next 15 minutes, check the thermometer every 5 minutes and write down the readings. Then calculate the average. If the average is within plus or minus 5 degrees Celsius, your oven is doing fine. If it's off by more than 10 degrees Celsius, calibration is needed. This step is important because some ovens look accurate at first, but drift badly over time. Step 3. Calibrating a digital oven. Most modern ovens allow manual calibration through the control panel. Check your user manual for temperature offset or calibration mode. Typically, press and hold the bake or settings button. Adjust the temperature up or down in small steps. For example, if your oven runs 15 degrees Celsius too hot, reduce the offset by 15 degrees. Save the setting and retest. This adjustment tells the oven to compensate automatically every time you bake. Step 4. Calibrating a manual dial oven. Older ovens use a mechanical thermostat behind the temperature knob. Remove the knob carefully. Behind it, you'll usually find a small adjustment screw. Turn it slightly, clockwise to increase temperature, counterclockwise to reduce it. Make very small adjustments. 1/4 turn can make a big difference. Replace the knob, preheat again, and recheck using the thermometer. Step 5. Fix uneven baking issues. Calibration helps, but it's not the whole story. Uneven baking can also come from blocked air vents, misplaced oven racks, weak heating elements. Always bake on the center rack, unless a recipe says otherwise. Avoid overcrowding trays, and rotate baking trays halfway through for consistent results. If one side of your oven always runs hotter, that's normal, but now you know how to work with it. Final tips for perfect baking. Recheck oven calibration once a year. After power outages or long periods of non-use, test again. Never rely on the display alone. And remember, accuracy matters more than brand or price. A properly calibrated oven can outperform a brand new one that's never been tested. Perfect baking doesn't start with better recipes. It starts with knowing your oven. If this guide helped you, give the video a like. Subscribe to Easy Solutions for honest appliance advice and practical fixes you can actually use. Because at home, accuracy is everything.